Hello dear friends and family, hopefully things are fine and you are very welcome to my video. My name is Porosh, I'm a student as well as an English learner. Today in this video, I want you to understand some very basic things that we all really need to learn. We all really need to master in ourselves. Actually, we all want to learn English. We all want to speak in English. But we all just think that how can I do it? Or what is the actual way or process for doing and making all these things? So the very first thing that I want you to understand right now is try to practice as much as you can. It totally depends on you, how much practicing that you do. Practice is something that I believe deeply because it has helped me in my own English learning journey. I well remember when I started my journey, that time I used to practice a lot every single day, no matter how busy I was. For example, I would talk to myself in English. I described my daily activities in English, like now I am eating or I will go to market. This type of small practices really helped me a lot to improve. And that is why now I am here. Now I can speak English in a better way. And when I started my journey, that time I also used to watch so many English videos, listen so many English songs. And later I just try to understand the lyrics of that songs. I just try to learn some sentences from those videos. And at first I made so many mistakes, but I never stopped practicing. Just try to understand. At first I made so many mistakes, but I never stopped practicing. And as a result, later I saw that I'm improving and I could speak English in a better way. I could express myself in a better way. So my suggestion for you is this: try to practice as much as you can. So whenever you will get some time, just try to practice in English. 15 minutes per day, 20 minutes per day, it's enough. If you continue this for at least 1 month, then you will see you improved a lot. So this is my first thing that I want you to understand. And the second thing that I want you to understand right now is try to inspire everybody. This is something very personal to me because I have seen how my journey inspired so many of people. Nowadays so many people message me that, brother, I want to speak like you, and you're watching your videos help me to improve my spoken English. And when I hear this type of things, it really motivates me from my inside, and it will help you to feel something good in yourself. When you will see that you are helping others and you are improving, then you will see motivate in yourself. Okay, so this is number second thing that I want you to understand. And when I see that people are watching my video, they are admiring me, that time I feel a greater responsibility to improve myself, to continue my journey. And that is why now I am able, I always try to share my knowledge, whatever that I have learned throughout my journey. I don't learn so many things, but I always try to share those things that I have already learned. And that is why now I am here. And I always try to do this type of things. I just share my experience. I don't need to give knowledge to my audience. The thing that I do always is I just try to share my experience with them. So this is number two. And my suggestion is for you: if you are learning English, remember your effort might be helpful for others. So just try to share your progress with everyone, no matter how small is your progress. Just try to inspire others. When you will do it, then you at the same time you will see that you are improving, and you will feel motivated in yourself. So this is number second. And the third thing that I want you to understand right now is try to take your own responsibility. It's really very important for us. Okay, there was a time when I realized that this is my life, so I have to take all my responsibilities in my own shoulder. When I started my journey, that time I made so many mistakes, and sometimes I felt disturbed. But then I realized this is my life, so I have to take my own responsibilities. And in my life, if something good is happening, that is happening just because of me. If something bad is happening, that is also happening because of me. And I am totally responsible for all these things. And then I I took my responsibilities in my shoulder, and that is why now I am here. Now I am being able to speak in front of you. Now I am being able to inspire so many of our youth, so many people. And I'm really very proud because you are watching my video and now I can speak English. I'm so happy with it because I'm watching that I'm improving. So this is the step number 3. So if you want to speak in English, then you have to take your own responsibility in your own shoulder. It's really very important. Okay, this is your life. No one else could do it for yourself. You have to do it because this is our life. And if we want to achieve some great things in our life, we have to take our own responsibility. So that has been my video's point, and hopefully you are getting my points, and I hope that you will start your English journey because English is very important. English is very necessary for ourselves. So if you want to speak in English, these 3 things I hope will help you a lot, and you will progress in life and you will make it happen. And I strongly believe that we all together can do something better. Okay, and we all can do the things that we want. So in order to improve our English, we have to we have to practice a lot. We have to inspire others, and at last we have to take our own responsibility. This is our own life, and if people tell you you are not improving, it doesn't matter because they are nothing. Who are they? They are nothing. And if we can believe in ourselves, then everything is possible. So just believe in yourself and always keep trying and keep focusing on your dream. Okay, and I never ever listen to anyone's. I listen to my dreams, and I listen what I am trying to do. I'm very serious about it. So that is the reason why I can inspire now so many of my brothers and sisters, so many of our youths, and nowadays I'm inspiring so many of my friends. They are also now very interested in learning English. So this is my achievement. I can say this kind of small achievement really